everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these two tablets. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So I did get these as gifts for my kids, and they're going to absolutely love them. So let's go ahead and start opening them and seeing everything that comes in here. So it does come with a user manual. So it does come with the charger. This is an adapter from a USB to a USB-C. And then it has a little stylus. Okay, so your speakers are going to be located down there. You have two buttons on this side. You're going to charge it up right there. And then it does also have a stand built in, which is really nice. So that if they're watching a movie, they can stand it up and just watch it like that. And then it has your camera on this side. So let's go ahead and start her up. So I'm going to hold this button down. You can see it starting up. I do like the fact that this does come with a carrying case. Okay, so now I'm going to slide it up. Now let's go ahead and connect it to internet. So as you can see, it has all the games and everything right here. We're going to go to settings, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it to my internet real quick. So I'm gonna go right there. Let's go ahead and connect it. Okay, and as you can see, it is connected. So I'll go back, go to home. And they do have all these games already installed and everything. They have ABC Kids. Where's my settings? Hold on. So right now I'm going to a coloring game. You can see it's loading.
Lucas. Lucas.
So you can go to any of the paintings. And then you pick out your colors and you paint. So just something to keep the kids entertained if you're taking a trip or something. And as you can see, like on here, it has Google, you have App Store, you have YouTube, you have regular internet, you can take pictures. And then if you scroll like this, you have Candy Crush, a whole bunch of different games that you can choose from, but you can also download more onto here. And the good thing is some of them, once they're downloaded, you don't need internet, so you can download things that are like non-internet friendly, so that if you are on a road trip or something, you don't want to use your phone Wi-Fi, you can always do that. So let's go ahead and see what my kids think about it. So that's just some of the details on the tablet itself. You can see that's all the stuff that it connects to. It's pretty cool. My kids have been playing on it all day. They love it. They've been watching movies and playing some games. I'm trying to get them to play a lot more like learning games, so they're actually learning and not just playing around. But this thing's perfect for that. Okay, so right now you're just picking out everything that you want to show up on your
I
thing.
want stories and writing.
You're gonna have to, because that's part of learning.
Bro, are you kidding me?
You figure out what you want.
Alright, I want stories and writing. I don't want fantasy. I don't want... Fine, I'll just do everything. I did everything.
Mommy, what about me?
Push. Ooh, that looks fun.
Get off the counter.
I'm pushing it.
I don't know how to do it.
Whoa, Mom, look at me. I'm flying.
Elijah, what did you get into?
Hold on. It's gonna take you 6 years now. It's this game. It has learning stuff on it.
Add more apps.
See, it has more games on it. It's this. See, it's where you can play learning games also.
Barbie.
Okay, there you go.
Can you get this? Some of the games are learning on it. And I
What
have
is it?
it's
No, didn't Daddy say no to that one? Daddy said no to that one. Okay, so far they set up their devices and everything, and now they're figuring out what they want to play with.
Mom, can you get this? It's called Fluffy.
it's called Fluffies.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.